Now the second problem is integration 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus y, x raised to m minus 1, y raised to n minus 1, dx dy. Sorry, this has become dx again. Okay, dx dy. Now see, what is the first thing I have to observe? The limits. Now see, in the last problem the limits were in terms of x, so those were the limits of y. Here, what are the limits? 0 to 1 minus y means it is in terms of y. This means these are limits of x. Okay, that means you need to integrate first with respect to x. So go ahead, integration 0 to 1 as it is. So you need to take integration with respect to x. That means this y raised to n minus 1 and dy will be as it is, y raised to n minus 1 dy as it is. Okay, now what is the integration of x raised to m minus 1? See, what is the integration of x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 means whatever the number is here, add 1 to this. So m minus 1 plus 1 will be x raised to m upon m. And what are the limits? Give those limits. 0 to 1 minus y. Okay, now this 1 by m is constant, or just substitute the limits. Okay, this is 0 to 1 x raised to, yes, what are the limits? Sorry, instead of x you need to substitute the limits. 1 minus y raised to m upon m. Okay, and what is the lower limit? 0. So 0 raised to m is 0, and keep this y raised to n minus 1 dy as it is. Okay, so this becomes integration 0 to 1, 1 by m, 1 minus y raised to m into y raised to n minus 1 dy. That is, this 1 by m is constant, so this becomes integration 0 to 1, y raised to n minus 1, 1 minus y raised to m dy. Okay, now you must be familiar with this type of integration. You have observed this integration in unit number 3. What is it? See, you know the beta function. What is beta of mn? Integration 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1, 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx. Okay, so here if we compare, see, we can see that m minus 1 is n minus 1. That is, here we compare, m minus 1 is n minus 1. That means m is equal to n. Okay, and n minus 1 is m. Okay, that is n is equal to m plus 1. Means if this is beta of mn, then what will it become? 1 by m beta of, what is m? N here. And what is n? M plus 1. Okay, understood? See, we just compare the powers, because whatever the variable, it doesn't matter in definite integration. Okay, so maybe variable is changed, but we need to compare the powers. So m minus 1 is n minus 1. Compare them, find out the value of m. As this is beta of mn, so this is beta of n. Okay, and here n is equal to m plus 1, so it becomes beta of n into n plus 1. Now you know the formula of converting beta into gamma. So what is it? 1 by m. Yes, what is the formula? Beta mn is gamma of m upon gamma of n upon gamma of m plus n. Okay, so this becomes gamma of n, gamma of m plus 1 upon gamma of m plus n plus 1. Now 1 by m, gamma of n, gamma of m plus 1 can be written as m gamma m upon, this can be written as m plus n, gamma of m plus n. Now this m and m gets cancelled, so you get gamma of m, gamma of n upon gamma gamma of m plus n into m plus n. Okay, now why we have used this formula? Because we don't know whether m is fraction or integer. Okay, if it is explicitly mentioned that m is an integer, you can use here gamma of m plus 1 as m factorial. Okay, but we don't know, that's why we have used m gamma m formula. Okay, so if you have any doubt in these two problems, you can ask me on WhatsApp.